Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will show this power bank and talk a bit about that. I got this cheap from China. It holds one 18650 battery, rechargeable battery, and you can use that with the USB and a micro USB port. Micro USB port is many times a bit a problem that it fits the item, but if you have a USB port then that works. What I don't like about it is the cover. I did already alter it a bit. It's a snap-on cover. It's a trouble to get back off the item, so that is a bit of drawback. So I use the TomTom GPS for a couple of years now. It works pretty well as long as you have electric power. If there is any problem with the car, with the outlet, or if I use the bicycle or I walk, then you don't have the electric power, then the small battery accu of the TomTom is not gonna last for a long time. So I got me this power bank, as I saw that on a Chinese website, and for a cheap price I did wanna try that out, so I ordered one and the second is on its way. So all what you do is basically it comes like this, and you put in any regular 18650. It simply snaps in like that. It's reasonable durable made. It's of course a plastic device, it's not for stand on it. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna make a cover for it. Maybe if I see a square aluminum pipe that it would fit, then it would be more protected. And if I go with the bicycle or if I walk, now I don't have to rely on the small battery. I simply plug that in, and then the TomTom is gonna charge up already, green light. And the battery life on the TomTom, I did never check on the minute. I would say about 20 minutes for sure. So that is way enough to change the 18650. If I would go and hike or with a bicycle and I'm out and about a day or two, I could simply bring more of the 18650s, so I can interchange the batteries. The 18650 is a regular battery. For those of you who don't know, that is currently the main use battery for flashlights. It's rechargeable. You get them in many different variants, and usually two-piece CR123 would work as well. I did not test it out on this device yet because I mainly use the 18650 now, if the flashlight allows it, and that's a well battery, pretty powerful, and with a long run time. So that much about the power bank for TomTom. Of course it would power up other devices that you can plug in with a USB or a micro USB that fits that specialized micro USB port as well, not only the TomTom.